أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to our channel Tazkira-tul-Auliya. Today we are going to talk about that personality has played an important role in independence of Pakistan. So let's start our video. The personality which I was talking about is Sir Alama Muhammad Iqbal. Sir Alama Muhammad Iqbal. He was born on 9 November 1877 and died 21st April 1938. He was a Muslim poet and politician from Punjab, British India, whose poetry in Urdu and Persian is considered to be among the greatest of modern era, and whose vision of independent state for the Muslim of British India was to inspire the creation of Pakistan. He is commonly referred to as Alama Iqbal. After studying in England and Germany, Iqbal established a law practice but concentrated primarily on writing scholarly works on politics, economics, history, philosophy, and religion. He is best known for his poetic works, including Asrar-e-Khudi, which brought a knighthood, Ramooz-e-Bekhudi, and Bang-e-Dara in Iran, where he is known as Iqbal-e-Lahori. He is highly regarded for his Persian works. Iqbal was a strong proponent of the political and spiritual revival of Islamic civilization across the world, but specifically in India. A series of famous lectures he delivered to this effect were published as The Reconstruction of Religious Thought in Islam. One of the most prominent leaders of the All India Muslim League, Iqbal encouraged the creations of the state in northwestern India for Indian Muslims. In his 1930 presidential address, Iqbal encouraged and worked closely with Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and he is known as Mutafakkir-e-Pakistan, the thinker of Pakistan, Shair-e-Mashriq, the poet of East, and Hakimul Ummat, the sage of Ummah. He is officially recognized as the national poet in Pakistan. The anniversary of his birth, that is Yom-e-Wiladat of Muhammad Iqbal, comes on 9 November, is a holiday in Pakistan. They did many efforts for us, for Muslims, and as Muslims, we should pray for him that may his soul rest in peace. Ameen. If you liked my video, please do like and tell me in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Tazkira-tul-Auliya. Thank you.